Guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we will be making this origami chair. Let's get started.
For this chair, you'll need 1 6-inch square of origami. Start white side up and fold it in half. Just like this. Crease well. Open it back up. And you're going to fold it this way. So now when you open it up, you'll have an X. Like this. And now you're going to fold this point here to this point like this. And do all the other corners. Make sure all crease good. Crease well. Get good. And now you've got this. You're going to flip it over. And you're going to fold this in half like this. And then you're going to crease this here, but be careful not to destroy it. And then you're going to fold it like this. Don't unfold it either. Just like this. And you're going to open it up. You've got an X here. You're going to fold this in right there. Same thing with the other side. Right here. Right there. And like this. And now you've got this. Flip it over. You've got these points for like the fortune teller too. And now you're gonna do now you're gonna fold these in here like this. And now flip it over and you're gonna do, if you've seen the person, how to make the origami person, you do what you did there. So you're going to take this here and you're just going to push it up. Push it up like this. So take this and you're just going to push it up like this. But instead of doing only 3, you do all of them. And you've got this. Now flip it over, and you're going to fold this to this crease right here. But only do 3 of them. Flip it over, fold this one to this side, and you've got the square. Unfold this back flaps, and unfold this top one. Crease it well, get a good point. Fold it down like this. Set it down. And you're done.
For watching, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on your notifications so you never miss one of our latest videos. And we'll see you all next time.